Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there is a little bit of a difference today. I do not have I don't have myself up on the video today. I'm just going to be rocking this out, try something new today. We're just going to be doing the packs. Alright, this will be our last 4 packs for this display box. So, I'm going to have to invest in some more here. That was my last box. I did the Yu-Gi-Oh one and this one, fortunately, so I will have to order some more. Hopefully we pull something good out of the ones today. Let's see what we get here. Let's start off first one. Alright, Dalmatian, Choppa Amon, Orabi, Captain McKinley, Jinbei, Hino Bird Zap, Let Us Begin the World of Violence, Baby 5, I'm dropping cards, I'm messing up, Hattori, Uso Hachi, Hound Blaze, Beepo. Alright, nothing too crazy for the first stack. Let's see what we got here. Next pack. Alright. That is unfortunate. A little bit of a disappointment, I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of hoping it was gonna be the manga. But this is still a sick card. I mean, I've gotten this one before, so nothing too out of the range, but still a pretty cool looking card. Well, we got 2 packs left. My hopes have gone down though. Sometimes there's 3 alternates in a box, but I think that's really if you're just lucky. Which is unfortunate. Alright. Sorry if the quality's bad. I don't know what's been going on. I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna have to order something better for doing these cards. This quality just isn't up to my standards. Probably because it's through my phone and not like my actual camera. Which is what I should have done, I guess. I didn't even think about that one. Damn, why didn't I think about that? I could have used my actual camera since I'm not using it. Alright, we got John Giant and Buffalo, Akuba, Birdcage, Hack, Dragon Claw, 4000 Brick Fist, Lizabello, Sakazuki, Shura, 100 million volts, and the Don card. Nothing too crazy today. That is unfortunate. We did get some cool cards though, so I'm not too upset. I appreciate everybody who stuck with and watched. I appreciate if you just stopped in. I'm gonna try to get another box soon. Try to upgrade this camera quality, but you guys have a good night, morning, whatever it is for you. Thank you for stopping in, and I'll catch you guys again. Deuce.